Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Passaic County, Union County, Southern Bergen County, Essex County, Hudson County until 5 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from an area of thunderstorms near Milburn, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Heavy rain is expected across Union, Essex, Bergen, possibly Hudson and Passaic counties. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic.